Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video in this video series, what's new in the SQL library for Allen Bradley PLCs. In this one we are going to focus on the SQL-Delete to discover a couple of the features has been added and just refreshment of how it works and all that, and maybe the differences between version L and version S. So with no further delays, let's start. Okay, so what I have here is I have the SQL-Delete L for the L version. So in terms of differences between the L and the S version, there isn't really any major differences between the two. The only difference I would say is that the L version is not compatible with the 5370 series. Other than that, everything is the same. So in this version L or version S, what we have done is we added a couple of features. So the first one that we were touching on throughout the other add-on instruction is this SQL error message. So now we have the ability to decode the SQL error to know exactly what's holding us or what's going on when we're basically executing our queries. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna basically trigger the delete. We're gonna see an example in here and we're gonna see how that works, and doing so we are going to basically see here in the affected rows when we execute our query how many rows has been affected by that, and that's the second feature that has been added. So now on top of that the query is done with this bit, it also will tell you how many actually rows has been affected by your delete. So let's do an example and then we're going to see how all that works. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to specify that I want the database cartridge, and then I'm gonna use table 5 or test I can write it here, test table 5 in this database. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I'm going to delete anything that has UID greater than 20. So anything greater than 20, it's going to be deleted. Now just to give you an idea here, so I'm just going to bring my database here so you can see what's going on. So this is my right there, and then I'm going to put that in here. So this is my table right here in the database, and what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to delete all these rows all the way to 48. So let's trigger that, and as you see now, so the transaction happens, so that's why this counter kind of turned to 1. And if we go and check now our database, we can see that everything that's above 20 has been now deleted. And then if we look at, we can see that the affected rows are registered in here. So that's about the how the delete works, and the couple features that has been added. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.